In this video, we're going to walk you through how to use Descript's voice cloning feature. And trust me, by the end, you'll know exactly how to use this powerful tool to create custom voices for your projects. Whether you're making podcasts, videos, or digital content, Descript's voice cloning can make your workflow more efficient and creative. Stay tuned because I'm also going to show you a way to access this tool for free with some exclusive bonuses. First off, Descript's voice cloning feature allows you to create a digital version of your own voice or someone else's that can then be used to generate new content. This is super useful for content creators who want to keep their voice consistent across videos or podcasts without having to re-record everything. If you're like me, you know how time-consuming it can be to record voiceovers. That's where Descript comes in. To get started, head over to Descript's website and sign up for an account. You can use the software for free, and I've got a link in the description below that gives you access to an exclusive extended free trial with some awesome bonuses. After you've signed up, the first thing you need to do is record a training sample. You'll be asked to read a script aloud. Don't worry, it's just a few sentences. The purpose of this is to train the software on how to replicate your voice. Once you've recorded the training sample, Descript will use advanced AI technology to analyze your speech patterns, intonation, and pronunciation. The more you speak naturally, the better the cloned voice will sound. It's pretty remarkable how quickly it can pick up your voice and replicate it with such accuracy. When the voice cloning process is complete, you'll have your very own digital voice clone, ready to be used. You can type out the text you want the voice to read, and Descript's AI will generate the speech in your cloned voice. This feature is great for voiceovers, podcast episodes, and even making corrections to past audio recordings without having to re-record entire sections. A cool part about this feature is the ability to adjust the tone and pacing of your cloned voice. Whether you want it to sound more casual or formal, Descript lets you tweak how the voice reads your text. It's incredibly versatile. One of the best things about Descript's voice cloning feature is how easy it is to use within the platform. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started, and the interface is intuitive and user-friendly. Simply type your text, select your cloned voice, and hit generate. It's that simple. Now, here's where it gets even more powerful. You can also use the voice cloning to create entire scripts for videos and podcasts, or even edit existing content. Descript's integration with its transcription feature means that if you need to change something in your audio, you can just type it, and the cloned voice will seamlessly add the new lines to your project. In conclusion, Descript's voice cloning feature is a game changer for anyone creating content regularly. The ability to generate high-quality, consistent voiceovers with just a few clicks will save you hours in production time. Remember, you can start using this tool for free through the exclusive link in the description below, and it's one of the most efficient ways to enhance your digital content. If you've made it this far, don't forget that you can get an extended free trial with extra bonuses by using the link in the description. Get started with Descript today and take your content creation to the next level.